Hello, it's Susan. Today I'm doing a reverse dip. I'm going to attempt to do an iris. So I've already prepped my canvas with white paint, and it is white Artist Law Flow paint mixed with a little bit of house paint. I mix my paints 1 part pouring medium or Floetrol to 4 parts paint, and then I add water till I get the right consistency. The consistency for this has to be a little bit thicker than a flip cup or a pour like that, where the paint has to move around. So the colors I have are wisteria mixed with dioxazine purple to get the lighter or a little bit darker than wisteria purple. And then I have dioxazine purple mixed with metallic purple. And then I have turquoise blue. And then I have some white, of course. I'm not sure if I'm going to put any more white on. But then I have some green, a couple of greens, reflex green and phthalo green, metallic phthalo green, and yellow. So I am going to begin, and I will speed this part up for you. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to bring the purple up into the white. I'm going to attempt putting a bit of a shadow here. I'll put some yellow in the middle here. Well, I'm going to see how this looks. I'm going to use plastic, but I've taped the plastic to a frame, to like an old frame from a canvas that I took apart. So it's just very thin plastic, and I taped it to one side so that the other side is taut. And then I'm going to put it down over top of the flower and then lift up. Okay, I'm going to do it this way. I don't know if I have, this is the first time me doing this, so I don't know if I have to. Yeah, I do. I do have to smooth it down a bit to make sure it's making contact with the canvas and the paint. And just very lightly go over it. Looks like there's a big air pocket there. Okay, I believe it's made contact with everything. A couple spots here. Okay, and then I'm going to lift it straight up. Oh my goodness. Oh, doesn't look like a doesn't really look like an iris, but it looks pretty. And look at this. Wow. That's pretty awesome. I like this better, but there is not paint. It would be a nice skin if I had paint in certain spots. I might try to attempt that. Attempt adding a little bit of paint there. So, that's it. Oops. It's pretty cool. I like this flower. It's not an iris, but it is pretty. I have to pop any air bubbles. I'll show you a close-up. Oh, I love it. Don't know if there's enough yellow in the middle though. I'm afraid to touch it. I think I ruined it. I'm just going to add a little bit more. Okay, I think that's good. I'll touch it. I'm going to ruin it. I think it looks a little better. A little bit of yellow in the middle. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.